This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to enable and trigger Circle to search now. First, grant microphone and overlay permissions. These let the assistant capture what you circle. Once done, confirm your device runs Android 12 or later and update the Google app so the feature appears. Next, open Settings, find Circle to search, and set the activation gesture. Adjust gesture area size so your thumb lands comfortably. You're ready to make the first circle. Keep your hand steady for accurate selection. You'll now perform the core action, circle and refine. Draw a smooth, single stroke around text or an object. You should feel a quick haptic pulse when selection registers. After the preview appears, tap Edit if the outline missed details, expand or contract the selection to focus the search. Make sure to switch result filters for specific needs. Choose images to find visuals, text to copy or translate, or shopping for product matches. Repeat and refine strokes until results match your intent. You'll finish by acting on results and fixing common issues. Tap a card to open full info, copy text, or long press to share. This completes the workflow. If Circle to Search doesn't activate, check for conflicting gestures and disable them, then make sure accessibility services are allowed. If recognition is inconsistent, clear the Google App Cache or reboot the phone. This often restores accurate selection detection. If problems persist, toggle permissions off and on to reset the feature. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.